Guys, I'm gonna post all the parts as part 3 since I keep on pressing record by accident. So, as I saw, I counted 19 stuffed animals, and this is toys plus blankets. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of place you on the floor, and you're gonna just kind of see the process of elimination. So now we're gonna be making the bed, and then this is the decor part. It probably won't be super long, but let's go. Praying I won't accidentally hit record. Unrecord. Okay, let's continue. Sorry, guys. I almost fell. Now time for pillows. It's so fun to just kind of like jump and all this. 3, 2, 1. It's so fun. Next pillow. This one. The ones I really like in the back, and the ones I do like in the front. So you guys can see. Now time for this. Now time for stuffed animals. Stuffed animal number 1. Now I'm going to be counting. 1. This is the... And I'm done. Just kidding. I have so much fun. All that down here. All around. And then for the next stuffed animal, they have to be next to the corner or else I can't sleep. This one's gonna come right on the corner of my bed. So, and now, 2, 3, Where's my 1, 3, 4. Oh, I forgot my other blanket. My Taylor's blanket. Oh, look, this is my flag. Now. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16. 17. 18, 19. 20. 21. I'm sorry, 21. Blanket. 22. I think that might be, oh no. 23, 24. Alright, I think that's it. So that's all my stuffed animals. And yeah, now time for decor. So yeah. Fall decor. Let's go down. Okay guys, so I got a decor. It's like literally just one little mini pumpkin. My mom's, but it's okay. Sharing is caring. Right, I think that's pretty much it. So let's go from here. I didn't clean up my desk. So this is what it's looking like. Of course, it is still messy. But, you know, this is the best it's gonna get. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye! Guys, even if you don't subscribe, you guys are still an amazing and wonderful person. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.